Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add pages to your Weebly website. So let's get right into it. Now, this is relatively easy, or not even relatively, it is easy. Very simple process. All you need to do is just go into your editor on Weebly, just like I am right now. So let's get right into it and let me show you how you can add pages. Now, this is the home page on my website, as you can see there. And what I'm going to do, instead of the build section, I'm going to go into pages. And as you can see, this is a list of all the pages that I have. Now, you can change these if you want. Pretty sure you can set different pages as home pages. Not 100% sure, but that should be an option. However, to add pages, as you can see right next to the page's title here at the top, click on the plus and you have a couple of different things that you can add. You can add a standard page, a block page, category page, product page, external page, and a non-clickable menu. And this will add a navigation item that shows subpages in a drop-down, and then you can just make nested subpages if you want to. However, what I'm going to add, for example, is a standard page. I'm going to name it just test, and you can select the header type, the visibility, and the SEO settings. You can also hide it in navigation if it's under development, but I'm just going to click done. And as you can see, now I have an empty page, and that's pretty much it. Now, as you can see, I also have a blog, and you can very easily add blog pages. All of these pages do have different purposes, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that's pretty much as easy as it gets. You just need to select the type of page you want to add, and then you just name it and change any other settings you might want. And after that, you're good to go, and you can start editing that page as you wish. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.